and in cues to watch in the coming week from IPOs to corporate action. My colleague Vamakshi is joining in with that entire list.
Well, yes, let me first start off with some of the important economic cues to track and trade, and definitely we will be keeping an eye out on the S&P Global Services as well as manufacturing PMI data that is expected to come in for countries like the US, UK as well as Eurozone next week. Apart from that, there's a lot happening on the IPO front as well. The primary markets are abuzz, and in fact, we will be seeing a new player list on exchanges, and that is TVS Supply Chain. That company will be listing on exchanges on August 23rd. Apart from that, we also be keeping an eye out on Aeroflex Industries because the IPO is opening for subscription from August 22nd to August 24th. Other than that, keep an eye out on a few counters on the back of their AGM. It will be important to track what the management says about the company's future outlook as well as performance. And on the back of that, we will be keeping an eye out on Kotak Mahindra Bank. The AGM is on August 19th. HCL Tech, Eicher Motors, Bharti Airtel, Grasim Industries, Aurobindo Pharma, Info Edge India are just some of the other counters that will be holding their AGM this week. Apart from that, when we look at the corporate front, there's a lot of action happening here as well. Watch out for Reliance Industries as well as Jio Financial Services because the stock is set to list on exchanges on August 21st. Come August 24th, we will be keeping an eye out on India Mart as well as Piramal Enterprises because it happens to be the last day in order to buy the shares in order to be eligible for the buyback. So all in all, those were all the important events as well as triggers that you should definitely keep an eye out for next week.